Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Katzner's study on turkey vultures is a research project that aimed to investigate the movements and behavior of these birds in order to gain a better understanding of their ecology and conservation needs. The study was conducted by a team of researchers led by Todd Katzner, a wildlife biologist with the US Geological Survey, and involved tracking the movements of turkey vultures using satellite telemetry. The study found that turkey vultures are highly mobile and have wide-ranging movements, with individuals traveling hundreds of kilometers in a single day. The birds also exhibit complex social behaviors, with individuals frequently interacting with one another both on the ground and in the air. In addition to shedding light on the behavior of turkey vultures, the study also had important implications for conservation efforts. For example, the researchers found that the birds are highly susceptible to collisions with wind turbines, which are becoming increasingly common in areas where the vultures are found. As a result, the study highlighted the need for careful placement of wind turbines and other structures that could pose a threat to the birds. Overall, Katzner's study on turkey vultures provided important insights into the behavior and ecology of these birds and helped to inform efforts to protect them in the wild. Turkey vultures, also known as cathartes aura, are a common sight in many parts of North and South America. These large black birds are often seen soaring high overhead with their distinctive V-shaped wings held in a shallow dihedral. Despite their somewhat unsavory reputation as scavengers, turkey vultures play a vital role in the ecosystem by helping to clean up carrion and other organic waste. To better understand the movements and behavior of these fascinating birds, Katzner and his team undertook a comprehensive study of turkey vultures using satellite telemetry. This technology involves fitting individual birds with a small transmitter that sends signal to orbiting satellites, allowing researchers to track the movements of the birds in real time. Over the course of several years, the researchers tracked the movements of dozens of turkey vultures in various locations throughout North and South America. They found that the birds are highly mobile and exhibit a wide range of movements, with some individuals traveling hundreds of kilometers in a single day. One of the most interesting findings of the study was the extent to which turkey vultures interact with one another. The birds were observed engaging in a variety of social behaviors, including roosting together in large groups, soaring in formation, and engaging in playful aerial acrobatics. The researchers also found evidence of pair bonding and courtship behavior, with males and females engaging in elaborate displays to attract mates. In addition to shedding light on the behavior of turkey vultures, Katzner's study had important implications for conservation efforts. One of the key findings of the study was the vulnerability of the birds to collisions with wind turbines, which are becoming increasingly common in areas where the vultures are found. The researchers found that many birds were drawn to wind turbines likely because they resemble tall trees that provide good vantage points for scanning for carrion. Unfortunately, this behavior can lead to collisions with the spinning blades of the turbines, which can be deadly. To address this issue, the researchers recommended careful placement of wind turbines in areas where they are less likely to attract vultures. They also suggested using radar systems to detect the presence of birds near wind turbines and shutting down the turbines temporarily when vultures are in the vicinity. Another important implication of the study was the need to protect the habitat of turkey vultures, which are increasingly threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation. The researchers found that the birds are particularly sensitive to changes in their environment and may alter their movements and behavior in response to disturbances such as urbanization, deforestation, and agricultural intensification. To help protect turkey vultures and other wildlife, the researchers recommended a variety of conservation measures, including habitat restoration, the creation of protected areas, and the implementation of sustainable land use practices. They also emphasized the importance of public education and outreach and called for increased funding for research and monitoring of threatened species. Overall, Katzner's study on turkey vultures provides a valuable glimpse into the behavior and ecology of these fascinating birds. By shedding light on their movements, social interactions, and conservation needs, the study highlights the importance of protecting these vital members of our ecosystem. In addition to its scientific contributions, Katzner's study on turkey vultures has also helped to raise public awareness about these birds and their importance to the ecosystem. Through media coverage and outreach activities, the study has helped to dispel myths and misconceptions about turkey vultures and to promote a greater appreciation for these remarkable birds. Furthermore, the study has underscored the importance of collaboration and interdisciplinary approaches to conservation research. By bringing together experts from fields as diverse as biology, ecology, geography, and engineering, the study has demonstrated the power of interdisciplinary research to address complex environmental challenges and to promote the sustainable management of natural resources.